Hello, greetings to you all. So this video tutorial will give you an idea on about how to give access to the students to see the courses. Let us say if the student is a paid user or unpaid user, how to give him access to see the courses or how to take out revoke the access of the students. So for this, first log into the school website, New Vision website, then click on the settings gear icon on the left side. Here can you see there is an option called site administration. Yeah, so there is a search button below that. You have to search COHORTS, cohorts. Type cohorts and click on search. So yeah, the results has come. Click on this blue highlighted cohorts. Now you are inside. All the sections, all the classrooms are present here, all the students details. Now first of all you should contain this Excel sheet. This Excel sheet will have all the username, first name, last name, mail ID, institution, all the details. So here first you should filter who is the paid user, who is the unpaid user. You should give access to the paid users and you should revoke the access to unpaid users. Let us say all these are paid users. All these are paid users. He is unpaid user. So these are unpaid users. We should revoke the access for these students, these usernames. Okay. Now come back to our website. I'll first search concept school underscore class 06. I'll click search. Okay, now I have got all class 6 groups, all the class 6 groups. Let me select diamond. Okay, diamond group here. Once again, there is this symbol on right side of it. You should select this symbol. Here you can see all the users who are paid, who are given access to this website courses. So if you want to remove any particular user, let us say Ananya Banot did not pay fees, you can click remove. If you click remove, they cannot see any courses. Or let us come back to our example here. Here we have unpaid users, this list. Copy this username CS2006019 and in the class 6, if he is a diamond section student, you should paste the value here. So you could see Rajkumari Dodla. You can click on the remove. So now that student will not get any courses. There is no save button, you need not save. Similarly, if the student has cleared the due, you can again paste that username and click add. So that user is added. So these are the list of users who gets permission to see the courses. So this is how all the paid users, unpaid users accesses are managed. Okay. So if you see class 6 gem, this section has 39 students. Of these 39 students, if you want to remove access to any particular user, you can select all the users and if you click remove, access will be removed. Alright. So this is where you can manage all your access permissions. Junior foundation, senior foundations, blossoms, concept school, all you can find them here. Okay, till senior foundation 10th standard. So for any other queries, please reach out to me. I will be happy to assist.